I got my meat thermometer ready at all times, 165, baby. Okay.
What's up, folks? It's your girl Tangerine with another episode of D-Herb Street Smart, and today we're talking about food poisoning. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Ajani, and I'm from North Carolina.
Aaliyah, and I'm from Lancaster.
Jimmy, and I'm from the valley right there, San Fernando Valley.
My name is Marie, and I'm from Detroit, Michigan.
You look so pretty. Why are you dressed so nice in the park?
It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday, Aaliyah! And he's taking you somewhere nice.
Yeah, a lot of places planned.
Ooh, he's got a lot of places planned. Okay, well, let me hurry up so you can get on with your birthday date. True or false? It's safe to cook meat with freezer burn.
False.
False.
What, is it safe or do I do it? It's not safe to cook meat with freezer burn. You can cook it.
So true or false?
It's true. You can.
You've been doing it, haven't you, Marie?
Doing it. It's probably not true, but I've been cooking it with freezer burn.
False.
Why do you say that?
Because it's freezer burnt, not freezer cooked.
However you got to the answer is correct, Ajani. Ding, 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 ding. False. You're not supposed to be cooking freezer burn meat. The reason is because when you freeze meat and then it thaws out a little bit and you put it back in the freezer, that time when it's thawed out, bacteria can actually jump on it and infect it. And you don't know that. You put it back in the freezer, then you eat it. You've just been lucky. You haven't had no infections yet. Stop doing that, Marie.
You learn something new every day.
That's exactly what he said. He said it's freezer burn, not freezer cooked. But what he meant is what I said. Number 2, what food is most likely to cause food poisoning? Is it A, cabbage, B, fish, or C, chicken?
Fish.
Chicken.
You got to agree on the answer.
Chicken. I know it because it has a lot of bacteria, like it's slimy, comes with bacteria on it, the chicken. And it's meat.
Chicken.
I'll agree with her. Chicken.
Why did you say that?
Because chicken goes bad more first than like raw fish does. And
Let me check my files. C, chicken is correct. Ding, 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 ding. She was right. Look at that. All right, good job, Marie. You got that one right. It is chicken. Chicken has a bacteria on it that is poisonous to us and not to them. And that's the problem. And that bacteria stays on the chicken even when the chicken is dead. So that's the thing. You got to clean it and you got to make sure it's cooked fully, because if it's undercooked, you can get food poisoning.
That was a public service announcement.
I'm here to help. I'm here to help.
I got my meat thermometer ready at all times, 165, baby. Okay.
So that's how you know it's cooked, 165?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Making me so happy for your birthday. Even though Leos are extra, you're a Leo, aren't you? Leos are so extra. Oh, dale. All right, here we go. How many Americans get food poisoning each year? Is it A, 36 million, B, 48 million, or C, 57 million?
57 million.
I want to say C.
I hope 57.
57.
Dang! Johnny, you were so close! It was B. It was so obvious that you didn't want to say it because B is like the middle.
Like, I was like, it was too on the nose. I didn't want to be too right,
I know. I wanted you to win. I was rooting for you.
And then say it again.
Say it again. What's the answer, Johnny?
The answer is B.
Oh my God, you got it right, except we don't do that on this show. 48 million, still a high amount. I mean, once you got $1 million in your bank account, you're already a millionaire. It don't matter if it's another 2 or 3. It's all millions. 48 million. Luckily, most food poisoning is mild and resolves on its own. But guess what? About 128,000 people end up in the ER every year from food poisoning, and 3,000 of them die. That's a lot.
Yeah,
that's a lot. So it's important to practice food safety. Clean your cutting boards, clean your utensils, make sure the meat and everything is cooked fully so that you can stay healthy. Got it?
Yes.
Thank you, D-Herbs.
Thank you, D-Herbs.
Thank you, D-Herbs.
Oh, man. No one won this episode. So sad. But this park is beautiful, and we all learned something today. Let us know what you learned by typing a comment below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode of Street Smart.